Hey. This is my YouTube channel.
Always.
Yeah, are you okay posting on my YouTube channel?
I'm fine with it.
Alright, cool. Hey guys, KJ. Nobody watches my YouTube channel. It's sad.
Watch
You're
your
not in
YouTube
it.
channel.
You're not even in it. I gotta go fix
So
that.
I'm in it. I'm in it right here.
Yeah, we're back.
Alright, 2 seconds.
Just pouring my cup.
That's the
Okay,
photos.
so if you're wondering what the hell we are going to be doing today, I'm not in it now.
That's a soda.
Jesus. Okay, I think that's gonna work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, what? We're starting too
You're not
early.
supposed to start yet. Alright,
Okay,
so we're going to do the burping
If
challenge.
you're wondering what we're doing today, guys, we are doing a burping challenge. All you need is not a plate. You need soda, which that one's empty. You need... Where's the lid? Give me the lid. I don't want to like... Oh, so... I caught that! Oh my god, I caught that! Okay, you need soda. You need 2 cups. Because you're going to have to play with 2 people, otherwise it sucks.
Yes, it does suck without 2 people.
I did it
Ready?
before.
Check this magic trick.
Wait, I was making a video before, like one day. I don't think I ever posted it, but it was with my friend Tatum. You know Tatum?
Let's just not tell my mom I did that. Oh damn!
Oh my god!
That's like antique. I didn't do that.
Anyway, I made a video a few weeks ago. With, you know Tatum? I made it with her. Totally. And we were going to post it, but I didn't have... Starting too early. Anyway, we had... Anyway, we had lemonade, and I was doing it, and I wouldn't stop burping for the entire... He's a unicorn.
You should be a unicorn as well. Yes, Kai.
Alright. Oh, that's spinning stuff. Oh, I smell it perfect. No! Oh, it's like all in my head!
Okay, let's hurry up and start.
Wait, Kai, you first. Step 1. Pick up the cup.
Okay, so
Step 2. Drink from the cup.
this is our first challenge, most comical like burp. Let's see who can do the most things like from a movie. Okay.
She did a perfect one before. It sounded like Homer.
Alright, now that didn't work. Okay, we're back again. Oh, that was terrible. You didn't know I was laughing my face off because I didn't get the burp.
Okay, basically, she drunk it and spat it back in and it dribbled all down her face.
That's a great jelly drop.
The great... Now it's a great soda drop. Wait, ready?
I still haven't done the burp yet. I can't get things going.
That's why you've never had a boyfriend.
Excuse me, I've had a
Shut up!
I kissed him. There we go. Your one that you did before, I was trying to find the perfect word for it. It sounded like a cannon drop. It was like boom. Your face was like
Hello, Gemma. If you're bored and you watch this, it'll be your last. It's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting bored, blink. She's the giggle at her feet. So loud. Thank you, I'm high. high jump.
Stop it!
Ooh, notebook. What the? I want to type. Why would you let me type?
It's not coming.
That's so strange.
No, it's just, there's nothing. It's nothing. I got nothing.
Okay. I don't know either. They're going to movie world tour.
Oh, my turkey.
I was watching this YouTube girl, Tana Maloney, and she was doing a thing with her friend Mark. And where's the off button? There it is. She was like this. They were like drinking soda and stuff. And he's burped, so he's gone. Oh, that was a wet one. And she's going. Oh, we're sucking the bit. Let's do it. Oh, that hurt my foot. So you go. Oh, I'm sucking the bit. Here.
I want to suck on your burping.
I'll try and do that one I did before, the cannon drop.
I'm going to see if I can do a cannon drop.
You're just basically close your mouth a bit. My hands feel like that crap.
Did you hear that? I was like,
It's probably really boring.
Oh.
Ready?
You're like a DJ.
We have to stop drinking soda. I just refluxed.
Oh, yummy. Guys, yummy. Okay, let's stop this now.
No, take some of yours.
My drugs.
Oh, I can't breathe properly.
Say it, we're so